everyone. If you are planning on participating in the All Learning is Social and Emotional ASDN webinar, Chrissy is asking for a receipt for registration, a receipt when you paid for your credit, and then a confirmation of successful completion of the course to be dropped into the Google Doc that you're looking at right now. So I'm going to show you how to get those shareable links to drop into this Google Doc. All right, so when you register for the class, you get this confirmation email. In order to get the receipt, you want to, of course, just click into this receipt link. It's going to force a download down here. Let me make sure that you can see it. There's going to be this force download down here that says badge, so click into that. When you get that, you want to share that to your Google Drive, and that's super easy. All you do is click into this print option, and I already have my profile so that's saved to Google Drive. But if you don't see saved to Google Drive in the destination, you can find it in here. If you don't see it, click more. Find the click that'll allow you to save to Google Drive. Click Save. And then we're going to go into your Google Drive. So the way to get to your Google Drive is to go back to the website, click into Docs, which will actually drop you into your Drive. You're going to see that document that just dropped right into your Drive. It's just taking a minute. There it is. So click into that actual document, and these three dots up here will allow you to get that shareable link. It usually automatically populates to, you want to click into get shareable link. It usually automatically populates to anybody at KPBSD, but I always like to go to anyone with the link, just so that you have a broader base of options to get to the link. So if you click more, I always do anyone with a link. Save, and I'm going to copy that link. And then I'm going to go back into the actual document, the actual Google document, and there's my name. And I'm going to drop the link in. And it's super easy, so that Chrissy will have all this information, so that when you have all three of these boxes filled in with the shareable link, then she can go ahead and process that reimbursement. If you have any other questions, let me know. My name is Michelle Thomason. Thanks.